Coco peat is made from coconut fiber. It is 100% organic and has numerous benefits when added to the soil. First thing is its water holding capacity. Coco peat has an excellent water retention capability. It will keep the soil moist. Thus, you will not need to water your plants multiple times even in the hot days. But it will not hold extra water. The second benefit is it makes the soil porous. The coarse coco peat helps to increase the aeration in the soil. Thus, the roots of the plants can get oxygen easily. This also helps the roots to grow well. The third benefit is it is resistant to bacteria and fungal growth and decomposes very slowly. Fourth thing is the pH level of coco peat is between 5.2 and 6.8. Though it is slightly acidic, most of the plants can grow in this pH level without any problem. We will now show how to make coco peat from coco brick at home. By the end of this video, we will get a clear idea of how much coco peat can you get from a 4.5 kg coco brick. We ordered this from Amazon. First, let's take the brick out of the packet. The company name is Coco Garden. And as you can see, the weight of this brick is 4.5 kg. The label says that it should expand up to 75 liters. The brick is 12 inch in length and breadth. The height is 5 inch. It's a huge block with a volume of 720 cubic inch, that is almost 11.8 liters. The coco peat is highly compressed to make this brick so that the volume becomes minimum and can be carried easily. We made this 4.5 feet long, 3.5 feet wide and 2.5 inch deep place with the help of polythene and earthen bricks. The process is very simple. You just have to water the brick. Actually, you have to keep adding water because this giant brick is going to take a lot of water. Let's start. As you can see, the block has started to expand as soon as it gets the water. You need to take the wet and expanded dust away frequently so that the remaining dry part can get the water. The brick still has its half left. Look how much water is being absorbed. These pieces are still left dry. We will put them together and add water. At last, if you find some small dry pieces are left, you can break them. Finally, sprinkle a little amount of water. If any part is left dry inside, it will help to make them wet. Now keep this wet cocoa dust in the full sunlight until it dries completely. It may take a few days. This is after 2 days. The top part started drying, but it is still wet inside. Mix them well every day so that all of the coco peat get an equal amount of sunlight. This is after 5 days. The coco peat is completely dry now. Today we will save them in a packet. It's winter right now, that's why it took so long to dry. In the meantime, we started using them. That's all for today. Hope you will like the video. Please subscribe to our channel to get more videos on gardening. Thank you so much for staying with us until the end.